Hello, come in, breaker. We got a donkey stomper. We're looking straight through first. That's why I'm cutting it off. I built this about 2 or 3 years ago, maybe 4, for a drummer boy. He runs stuff and he uses it. He finally went down on him, so we restored it here. Show you what we did. I put 2 new pills in it, new 10 ohms. I put the fan in the module sound like a freight train, so I put a new fan in the power supply module. I put a new fan on top because this one look bad. You can tell right there it's been used a bunch, but been on a bunch. No, I'm gonna throw all this junk away, but it's just showing you what I've done. The variable was good, but I'm gonna throw it away anyway. It's just old, you know, that way we don't have to ship it again on account of a bad variable. There she is. Let's look at our straight through SWR. Straight through, worldwide 0. Turning back on. Variable wide open. Input SWR. Worldwide, donkey stomper. 5 on reverse, radio drive. Worldwide, almost nothing. Hello. 1000 on slug, radio drive, average. Worldwide, over 100 average, which is great for a 2Pill. 1000 watt PEP, reading that bottom scale. Worldwide, 360, 370, hello, audio, right on target. I'm gonna kick it with a little power. I'm gonna kick it with about 60 watts. Kick it at about 60 watts. Worldwide, kick it a little more power. She gets up and gets on down. 2500 watt PEP, just got a kicks with a little drive. Worldwide, right on the same money, 600. But it's good to go, man. Like I said, this is for a drummer boy, a friend of mine in Texas. Worldwide and good customer. Worldwide drummer. Input SWR. Worldwide replay. Worldwide driver, get old out. We all know it's been well used. But there she is. Donkey Stomper 2Pill. Good as new. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend 10-018B. Catch you later. Bye bye.